How to delete your account in HeyGen. To delete your account in HeyGen, simply follow the instructions in this video. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on search bar, type in HeyGen. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Make sure you have logged in your account in HeyGen, and to delete your account, after you log into your account, you can see different options here. Click on this option which has your username. Now here click on your profile. You can see different options here. If you want to change password, you can click on this option, and if you want to upload a new picture, you can click on this upload option. Now to delete your account, click on delete my account option. After that, you have to type in your email to confirm it. Now click on this permanently delete account option. So this is how you can delete your account in HeyGen. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.